As a homeowner, you know that your roof's condition can significantly impact your home's value and curb appeal. If it requires a repair or replacement, you may wonder if it's worth investing in a new installation. A new roof is a significant investment for any homeowner. The average cost is $8,500. The figure can vary depending on the size and style of your home and the type of roofing material you select. A new roof is a big investment for any homeowner. Here are some signs that it might be time for a new roof, so you can be prepared financially and emotionally for the project. If it is more than 20 years old, it's probably time for a replacement. Most roofs only last about 20 to 25 years before they need to be replaced. If you're not sure how old your roof is, take a look at the shingles. If they're curling or cracking, that's a sign that the roof is past its prime. Another sign that you might need a new roof is if you see daylight in your attic after a heavy rainstorm. It means that water is getting through the roof and into your home, which can cause all sorts of damage. Boise roofers have been helping our neighborhood when it comes to roofing problems. Our roofing services extends to roof inspections up to new roof installation.